Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix McDonald's application not showing cart in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to come out of your McDonald's application completely. Afterwards, you just have to open the settings of your Android device. Inside the settings, go to the apps, then tap on the option of app management. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the McDonald's application. When you are inside it, simply tap on the option of force stop, then tap on the option of force stop again. Now you just have to reopen the application, and temporary glitches often cause cart loading problems, and by doing this the issue should be fixed. But if the issue is not fixed in your case, the second thing that you need to check is for an update. So you can come here on your Google Play Store or App Store and make sure that you are using the latest version. If you see any updates here, you just have to update the application. Now you can also verify that your internet connection is also stable. So if none of the methods are working, you can also go to the McDonald's server to see if their servers are temporarily down from their end. So in that case, you just have to simply wait for some time, and then you can place your order via McDonald's website instead of the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.